We forgot the water pump. Alright, so we got that jacked up line. So going back together, we just start on the other end of the line and work our way more. Yeah, we got two 10mm nuts over there. So let's get our 10mm deep. Just clamp together. There is a tool to do this, but hey, get you some vice grips. Grab that tool, but wait a minute. You know what? Let's get the... Oops, going the wrong way. Now I'm not going to take it all the way off. I don't want what I got here. 13mm deep. Got a nut right in there. 5/8 line wrench. What I got over here is my 5/8 and pried it between there just to get that line wrench loose. With a 4-inch extension. Right now, and we're gonna note where that tang is so we can